Ever wonder how maps know exactly where you are? Today we're diving into GIS Coordinate Systems 101, the backbone of mapping and spatial analysis. First, let's start with the basics. A coordinate system is a framework used to define locations on Earth. It's like the language maps used to understand where things are. There are two main types of coordinate systems: geographic coordinate systems, or GCS, and projected coordinate systems, or PCS. A geographic coordinate system uses latitude and longitude to locate points. It's great for global mapping because it's based on the Earth's curved surface. For example, New York City is located at about 40.7128 degrees north, 74.0060 degrees west. Now, let's talk about projected coordinate systems. These take the three-dimensional shape of Earth and flatten it onto a two-dimensional map. PCS uses grid-based measurements like meters or feet, making it ideal for detailed local mapping. Here's the catch. Every projection distorts something, whether it's shape, area, distance, or direction. That's why choosing the right system depends on your project. Whether you're mapping a city or analyzing global data, coordinate systems ensure accuracy. Without them, spatial analysis would be a mess. Now you know the basics of GIS coordinate systems. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.